Galataport, Istanbul. The world's first underground cruise terminal. Galataport, Istanbul is a world-class destination project established and implemented at the edge of the Bosphorus, covering 1.2 kilometers of coastline. One of the most important features of the world-class port is that it is the world's first underground cruise terminal. Cruise ship means that there are many accommodation, dining and entertainment options on board, have high service standards. They are cruise ships operating for touristic purposes on certain programmed routes. With this project, which is unique in our country, it is aimed to bring the ports of Karakoy back to tourism. It is estimated that 25 million domestic visitors, 7 million tourists, and 1.5 million cruise passengers will come to Galataport annually. The exterior architecture of this shopping center has been designed with care as well as its interior splendor. A new facility has been provided for all visitors, especially the people of Istanbul, where they can have a pleasant time and shop. Galataport completion, October 2021. Galataport opening, October 29, 2021. What's inside Galataport? In this place designed with the concept of neighborhood, you can find many areas suitable for you. You can spend your time as you wish in this place, which has 135 shops and 54 restaurants. Galataport, which will make art lovers smile, also hosts Istanbul Modern and Istanbul Painting and Sculpture Museum. Galataport, which includes theater, cinema and similar social activities apart from its stores, is equipped to host tens of thousands of visitors at the same time with its spacious atmosphere. Various cultural events such as photography exhibitions, concerts and many planned organizations meet their participants in Galataport. How to go to Galataport? If you want to go with your own vehicle, not by public transport, it has a car park with a capacity of 2,400. The first 30 minutes of the car park are free of charge. In addition, you can use it free of charge for up to 2 hours for spending 150 TL or more. There is also valet service in the parking lot. There are delivery points in front of the E and G blocks on the Majlis-i Mabuzin Avenue and on the Kamanks Avenue. Working hours are between 10 o'clock and midnight. If you say you will go to Galataport by bicycle, you can leave the bicycle in the parking areas in Clock Tower Square. How to go to Galataport by public transport? Transportation to Galataport by bus, 26B, 28, 30D, 62. Transportation to Galataport by metro, M2 metro line. Transportation to Galataport by tram, T1 tram line. Is Galataport entry fee? How much is Galataport entrance fee? You do not have to pay any entrance fee. However, some of the events, museums and exhibitions in Galataport may be paid. Valuable comments and opinions. Slightly smiling face. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please folded hands. Thank you. We wish you a good trip.